Low-light footage shouldn't look like a pixelated disaster, and yet, most action cameras still struggle when the sun goes down. I'm Jonah from the Honest Gadget, and today, we're breaking down the only two action cameras we actually recommend for low-light shooting: the DJI Osmo Action 4, not the 5 Pro, we'll explain why later, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And if you're wondering about GoPro's latest Hero13 model, forget it. If low-light footage matters to you, GoPro isn't even in the conversation, which we'll explain later. Now, your ideal low-light camera ultimately comes down to personal preference. Some of you will want a more natural, true-to-life look, while others might prefer brighter footage, even if it's helped along with slightly artificial effects. That's why we'll show you side-by-side clips so you can compare them yourself and decide which one you prefer. As always, we've linked the lowest prices in the description below. If you've spent any time browsing forums or YouTube reviews, one camera keeps popping up when it comes to low-light performance: the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Compared to GoPro and DJI, the Ace Pro 2 wins hands down. Thanks to its large 1/1.3-inch sensor and AI-driven processing, it captures brighter, cleaner, and more detailed footage even in near-total darkness. Whether you're filming at dusk, dawn, or in the dead of night, this camera pulls in more light while keeping noise levels impressively low. Beyond its low-light capabilities, the Ace Pro 2 supports 8K recording. But there are trade-offs. You're capped at 30 frames per second, file sizes get massive, and stabilization takes a slight hit. There are even reports of overheating, with some users reporting camera shutdowns after 40 minutes at 8K recording. Realistically, 4K is the better choice for most users, as it delivers the best balance of quality, smoothness, reliability, and file size. For creators interested in color grading, the Ace Pro 2 offers an 8-bit log, enough for basic adjustments, but short of the flexibility that a 10-bit log provides. Heavy edits can introduce banding, which professionals may find limiting, though casual users likely won't notice. When it comes to stabilization, Insta360's flow state and horizon lock keep your footage smooth, but it's not quite on par with GoPro's hyper smooth at higher speeds. Still, it absolutely gets the job done. The ultra-wide field of view is another big plus, capturing expansive scenes with minimal distortion, and convenient features like gesture controls and pause recording make the Ace Pro 2 surprisingly user-friendly. If low-light performance is your priority, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is simply the best option available right now. It outperforms every other action camera in dark environments, making it a must-have for night vloggers, filmmakers, and adventurers who need a reliable camera when the sun goes down. If the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 feels a little too expensive, the DJI Osmo Action 4 may be your next best option. It delivers impressive low-light performance, reliable stabilization, and excellent overall image quality, all without the premium price tag. And before you ask, no, we're not recommending the newer Action 5 Pro, which costs almost $100 more. Both the Action 4 and Action 5 Pro use the same 1/1.3-inch sensor, meaning low-light performance doesn't change much. DJI introduced a new Super Night mode on the Action 5 Pro, but in real-world tests, there isn't a big improvement. In fact, the Action 4's footage often looks more natural, while the Action 5 Pro can introduce artificial-looking effects that don't meaningfully improve the image. If low-light performance is your priority, there's little reason to pay more. Beyond that, the Action 4 delivers everything you need. 4K image quality is excellent, stabilization is rock-solid with rock-steady tech, and waterproofing down to 18 meters makes it ultra-durable. Yes, the Action 5 Pro has better battery life, but here's the kicker: the Action 4 is fully compatible with DJI's new batteries, meaning you can upgrade without buying a whole new camera. The brighter screen and subject tracking on the Action 5 Pro are nice extras, but for most users, they don't justify the price jump. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance action camera that excels in low light, the Osmo Action 4 is the smarter choice. You're getting almost identical night performance, better natural detail, and access to battery upgrades while saving money. If you want the best low-light action cam without overspending, this is it. The GoPro Hero13 Black is an absolute beast when it comes to image quality, stabilization, and all-around versatility. But if you're chasing the best low-light performance, this isn't the one. GoPro dominates in bright conditions, no question. But when the sun goes down, no GoPro camera, including the latest Hero13 Black, can compete against the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, DJI Osmo Action 4, and even the Action 5 Pro. Unlike its competitors, the Hero13 Black doesn't have a dedicated low-light mode, which is a big deal. As a result, GoPro footage at night often comes out grainier, darker, and noticeably less detailed. A clear disadvantage if you're filming in anything less than perfect lighting. If low-light performance is your priority, grab the DJI Osmo Action 4 or Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Both deliver brighter, cleaner nighttime footage. But if you want the most well-rounded action camera for daytime use, the GoPro Hero13 Black still stands at the top with its unmatched video quality, top-tier stabilization, and cutting-edge features. So, which action camera do you think is the best for low-light footage? We've linked to the lowest prices in the description below. If this video helped, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more honest gadget reviews.